This is Abdullah Kashmula, class database management using SQL. This is week 3 assignment. The first lines are to create a table so that I can experience different commands on it. And this is going to be my table. Use the employee department example because it provides enough data that I can use different commands on and create the other table with it. The first one I tried is to display the columns in different names other than what we initially called them, which is employee number. I can use as and write whatever I want to display here on top, or I can do it without the as in here as in salary. I can also not write them like that in between quotes and just write them, but that won't allow me to do any spaces and it will capitalize everything. I can also use mathematical equations to the variable salary so that I can do the annual salary, so I multiply it by 12. Of course, we can do other mathematical equations and to get different outputs. I also tried to print out my output so I can have the employee name and write what I want by joining all of them together with the and or two columns. And I can also use mathematical equations in here, but I cannot get rid of the head column, which actually shows what's happening. Like I don't know how to write what I want, and also order by employee name. So I can order them with any way I want. The describe command did not work. It keeps telling me unsupported command no matter how I write it, whether it's the short version or the long version. It keeps telling me that it is unsupported command.